Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M33 and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, you want to swipe down like this or from the top. Do so once more and this will extend the toggles right here, and as you can see there is power saving toggle, so you can simply press on it to enable your power saving mode. The brightness of the device drops just a tiny bit, and there's a couple of things happening in the background, but Samsung doesn't really care about disclosing those, so I have no actual idea what power saving mode changes, so it's up to you to just kind of guess and figure out as you notice some changes on the device. So anyway, that's our power saving mode. Once you're done with it, you can quickly turn it off by finding the toggle once more, tapping on it again, and there we go, everything should go back to normal. And with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.